why a policy mix is required. We have just seen the first one. You may need a mix of policies because of trade-offs. Right? I say you have to complement with another policy. You buy a toy for the older kid, you have to buy one for the younger kid. Okay? So this is the part on policy mix. There's another reason. The multiplier is small. If small, you may need to increase G plus lower interest rates to have a bigger impact. It's like if you are small yet you want to go and pick a fight, you should bring a friend with you. Okay. So trade-offs we have already explained. This one, root cause. This is actually saying there could be multiple root causes of the problem. Let's just think about the remedy for unemployment. If you are talking about structural, I need supply side. If you are talking about cyclical, then I need demand side. Same thing for inflation, right? Cost push, short run supply side. Demand pull, demand side policies. Same thing for economic growth. So if you go down to NTUC, you check in terms of the different types of Panadol out there. There are a lot because you have different types of pain. Okay. So that's why we need a mix of policies. And this is the MRT framework. Wherever you see a question on policy mix, bring out MRT.